What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today we got a beautiful 2008 Ford F250 6.4 Powerstroke. All the particulars will be on my website as far as lift, wheels, tires, all that good stuff. So you'll be able to go to our website direct, www.DLUX-motorsports.com. If you haven't subscribed already, in the bottom right corner, click the subscribe button. That way you get a chance to see these videos that we do daily. This truck has only 37,000 original miles. Again, an 08 F250 6.4 King Ranch version. So you have all King Ranch interior. The body is in very, very good shape. Truck came out of Florida, so absolutely no rust anywhere. You can see the frame is still jet black. Trailing arms jet black. Aftermarket hood, as you can see. Chrome's still in good shape, and like I said, the body's in very good shape. You can see the paint's still super, super nice. No big dents, dings, scratches. But anyway, maybe a couple small blemishes here and there. Definitely nothing major. Again, it's an 08 with only 37,000 miles. The body definitely shows the mileage at 38K. Very consistent, still very, very nice. We've fully serviced the truck. It's got some great service history with us. It is ready to go. So anybody in the market, we're pricing this truck very fair based on the upgrades. This thing has probably at least 20,000 in upgrades. So if you have any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. Again, if you're one of those guys out of state, you want something shipped to you, we are more than happy to do any other type of videos you may want. Inside, outside, drive videos, whatever you may make you feel comfortable to make a purchase out of state. We do it all the time. We ship trucks nationwide to customers, so definitely you can be confident with anything that we send you or information we give you is going to be spot on. So again, 08 F250 6.4 Powerstroke diesel, just over 37,000 original miles, straight out of Florida. Very nice truck. Give us a call, 540-898-1300.